How to change color grading in CapCut. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and open the project. Okay, once you open the project, all you have to do is select the video clip. Here, go to Effects, tap on Effects, tap on Video, and go ahead and tap on Filters. From here, tap on Movies. Scroll down and until you see Send. Tap on Send. Tick mark it. Now once you select it, go to Adjust, tap on Adjust. I'll do just step by step, so watch carefully. Here, tap on Brightness. You have to keep the brightness to -10. Okay, now once you choose the brightness to -10, tap on Contrast. For contrast, you have to keep it to +10. Now go to Brilliance. Brilliance should be -16. Okay. Now go to Sharpness. Sharpness should be 80. Go to Shadow. Shadow should be 12. Here go to Vignette. It should be 18. And that's it. You just adjusted your videos. Changing the color grading in CapCut is super easy process. As you can see, your video looks super good now. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video tips. Thank you for watching.